Hello, my name is Thomas, and in today's video I'm going to present you 4 tips on the topic App Store optimization for games. I just came back from London, from Pocket Gamers Connect, where I have been speaking about the topic Do players find your games within the app stores? And in today's video I'm going to share 4 tips with you that you can easily implement to improve your App Store optimization game for your games. App Store optimization is the process of improving your visibility within the app stores, meaning more people will find your games within the app stores, meaning there's a higher chance of people actually downloading your games and also playing them. So therefore it's really important that you master the skill of App Store optimization to get the most exposure within the app stores. As we have already covered in one of our previous videos, the link will be somewhere over here, we have already been talking about the topic that the app stores are really a crowded place. And this is especially true for games. So make sure you're not missing out on the biggest game discovery channel out there. Tip number 1, keyword research. Before you do keyword research, think of your players. Think of the players, what would they be searching within the App Store to find a game like yours. Write down the first keywords that come into your mind. Those keywords will be the base setting for further keyword research. Once you have this base set of different keywords that are very relevant for your game, it's time to multiply and to find additional resources of inspiration for keywords as well. Use tools out there. Use App Store optimization tools like AppRadar, for example. Use Google AdWords, where you can really find out how people are behaving on Google search and try to understand their search behavior. Use other tools like Uber Suggest that combine different keywords for you, where you can find very nice keyword inspiration. In the beginning, it is very important that you create a big seed list of different keywords, which you then can scrim down. But in the beginning, it should be really finding out which keywords might be relevant, which keywords are out there, really gathering all this information, putting it all together and having this big one list that you start with. Tip number 2, getting featured. One really great source, especially for games, of getting more eyeballs within the App Store is getting featured by the App Store itself. To get featured by app stores, the most important thing is that your game is really good. It should be bug-free, because let's face the truth, Apple is not going to feature some games that have bugs in it. Trends. Also have a look at the trends that are currently going on within the app stores. Have a look at which games are currently being featured. You can use this as inspiration for you. The app stores are often combining different topics, for example Christmas, where you will see different games that have Christmas themes are being featured within the app stores. Also have a look at new features that, for example, Apple is releasing. If you bring them to your game, chances are quite high that Apple might pick up your game and also feature it, because you're implementing a new feature that they just released. To get featured, it is also important that you are supporting different devices out there. Not everybody is running around with the latest iPhone. Updating your game on a regular basis also gives feedback to the app stores that your game is very relevant and that you are working on it and that you are further improving it. Tip number 3, ratings and reviews. Ratings and reviews also play a very important role when it comes to the topic visibility within the app stores. Why? Quite simple. People out there are giving you feedback on your game. They are using keywords on how they describe it. The app stores in the background have a look at the keywords that are being used within the reviews, which also will give you a boost within search when people are searching for those keywords. Besides the information of those keywords within the ratings, as you can also be sure, other people out there will read the ratings and try to understand if people like this game or not. One very important thing when it comes to the topic ratings and reviews is that you interact with the people that give you feedback, especially when it's negative feedback, because let's face the truth, there are a lot of haters out there and you have to deal with them, especially within the app stores. So now we learned that ratings and reviews are really good, but how to get them? The question in the background is, when do you ask your player for the feedback? It should be shortly after a happy moment that your player has when playing your game, because then he has really good emotions, and when you ask him, hey, it would be really awesome if you enjoy this experience, if you could give us feedback, chances are way higher that this player is going to the App Store and giving you a review and giving you feedback for your game. Tip number 4, visuals. The visuals play a very important role when it comes to convincing somebody who has interest to actually downloading your game. So be sure that those visuals are attractive and are also highlighting some of your gameplay, maybe also some unique features that you're having within your game, so that players out there have a really good reason why they should now actually download your game and play it. Think of it that the app icon is the first impression that a new player makes with your game. The app preview gives him insights on what the game actually is about, how does the gameplay work, what can I do, what should I do. and the screenshots, think of them as invitation for the player to really download your game. When it comes to the topic creating visuals, put yourself into the shoes of your potential target audience out there. What do they feel attracted to? What would really catch their attention? In today's video we have been talking about App Store optimization for games. Within the next videos we're going to cover more of these topics and going to more into detail on other specific topics as well. So please be sure to subscribe to this channel, click on the bell so that you get a notification as soon as a new video is live, and see you soon.